Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with the Bwine F7 Mini. Friends, it is advertised as being pretty durable. Today, we're going to put it through a crash test. So let's get cracking. Alright, friends, so we have done the calibration dance and all that jazz. If you haven't seen the startup video, I will put that up ahead. As you can see, it is ready to fly. So we're going to do up stick. That's how easy it is to start it. Another up stick, and we're in the air. Now before I crash it, we will go for a little bit of a flight. Of course, we also need to remember to turn on video. Remember, I hit that button. There's the record. I got a 64 gig card. Battery will last for 20 minutes or so. Let's take a nice view. See if we can get up and see the lake. Right out there is beautiful Lake Michigan. Right there is 60 meters, and friends, you can see Lake Michigan. How pretty is that? Spin around and take a view of Holland. That is out towards the state park and Mount Pisgah, where I climb every day. You can see a little bit of Lake Macatawa over there. Sometimes I forget just how many beautiful trees we have here. Now we're looking up towards Grand Haven, if you've ever heard of Grand Haven. If you look out there in the distance, you can even see the power plant. Alright, friends, enough of the scenery. Let's do the crash. There goes a birdie. Did we get it? Alright, so there's the drone coming into flight. And I'm going to spin this around so we're looking at the top of my garage. Let's bring it over here and let's ram it into the garage and see what we get. Alright. Decent crash. Let me bring it over to you. Alright, friends, so the legs auto-folded. If you can believe that. Propeller's got a nick, but of course they sent us more propellers. That's not too bad for running into a wall. I'm going to just run my fingernail over that to kind of smooth that back out. Let's power her down. And friends, I'm going to reset it, so power on. Let's take it for another flight. Look at that, friends. We are back in the air. And she doesn't sound any the worse for wear. How cool is that? Alright, friends, with it stable, let's try a picture. There's 1, 2. Do you see the green lights blink? That's how it's telling me it's taking the picture. How cool is that? I'm going to switch back to video mode. Once again, now I'm using the buttons in front. And it did a double blink to show me that it's recording video, and then the light continues to blink the whole time. That is pretty darn slick. Alright, let's bring her down for a landing. Boom. Alrighty, friends, so there you have it, the Bwine F7 Mini. Oh my gosh, totally survived the crash test and it is totally fun to fly. Friends, don't forget, if you're looking to find one of these, there will be a link in the description. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.